Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to boil dried scallop oyster chicken wing porridge. Hope you like it. The scallop and oyster porridge is delicious and tasty. It tastes better and better as you eat it. A big pot can be finished in no time. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: oyster, dried scallop, cabbage, rice, chicken wings, ginger. Let's marinate chicken wings. 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon soy sauce. Mix well. Sliced ginger. Soak to soften oyster and dried scallops with hot water. Diced oyster. Tear dried scallop into pieces. Cut cabbage into small pieces, wash and set aside. Wash and drain rice. Stir-fry ginger slices. Add shredded scallops and diced oysters and stir-fry to remove the fishy smell. Add rice and stir-fry. Add cabbage. Add chicken wings. Pour dried scallop and oyster water. Pour enough water to cook porridge. Porridge is cooked. Add salt and pepper powder to taste. Add salt and pepper powder to taste. The porridge is ready to serve. I will let the porridge simmer for a few minutes as I like my porridge to have creamy texture. Let's eat now. This porridge tastes really good. Save the recipe and make it yourself. Dried scallops are a kind of food made from the adductor muscle of scallops, which is a dried product of scallops. The nutritional value is very high, and it has the functions of nourishing yin and kidney, harmonizing the stomach and regulating the middle, and can treat symptoms such as dizziness, dry throat and thirst, consumptive cough and blood, and weak spleen and stomach. Regular consumption helps to lower blood pressure, lower cholesterol, and nourish the body. Scallops are cold in nature, so it is best not to eat them with cold foods, such as water spinach, cucumber and other vegetables. You should not drink iced drinks such as soda, ice water and ice cream immediately after a meal. You should also eat less or no cold fruits such as watermelon and pear to avoid physical discomfort. Eating scallops and drinking a lot of beer will produce too much uric acid, which can cause gout. Dried oysters are made from sun-dried raw oysters, and their nutritional value cannot be underestimated. The protein contained in dried oysters contains a variety of excellent amino acids, which have a detoxifying effect and can remove toxic substances in the body. The aminothenesiphonic acid in them can also reduce blood cholesterol concentration, thus preventing arteriosclerosis. Porridge can regulate appetite and increase appetite. Porridge is delicious, light and moist, and is especially suitable for people with no appetite or poor appetite. Porridge can promote sweating and detoxification. Warm porridge can invigorate the yang energy and warm the body. Drinking porridge and sweating is a healthy and effective way to detoxify, especially suitable for people who have just caught a cold. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel, do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.